We're in Pokhara, which is it's like the second biggest city in Nepal, and we're just by the lake here, going out for a little run. I've no idea where I'm going. Maybe like 6-minute Ks, taking it nice and easy. Don't want to do any damage. Oh my god, this is hard work. What the fuck? I don't know where I'm going. Apparently, hill over there. There's something up there. I'm not sure what, but someone recommended it's like a religious thing, so I might head up there. This is like a really big park. I don't really know. There's no one there. Looks like a nice piece of grass. Sorry. Oh, just nearly fucking ran over someone. Look at that. It's not so nice, is it? Yeah, in my mission to find this hill, we come down here. This is so nice. Wouldn't recommend running in 110s. Not exactly ideal. Not when they've gone through what they've gone through. They've done absolute mileage the last few months. So, obviously, I'm going towards this hill behind these trees. Now, I would just get my phone out, look at the map. It's in a really awkward pocket, so I can't be arsed. So, crossroads. There's a dam down there. I'm just going to carry on up here because I don't really know where I'm going. Excuse me. How do I get to the top of the hill? What? You know the hill, the mountain. Mountain. Yeah. Down here, and then right. Okay. Thank you. I'm hoping he just didn't know the word for hill. It's not a mountain. It's not that bloody big, I hope. Right, I think we're going to Shiva Temple at the top. So, straight down. Oh, look at that dam over there. That doesn't look so safe. Oh my god. Yeah, it is a mountain. This could have been a terrible idea. That's where we're going. The top of that one there. There's a temple up there. I feel like this might have been a bad idea to say I was going to do this, but now I've said I'm going to do it.
Ooh, hello.
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 And so we start going up. You can't. This is insane. Honestly, this is like 30%. I can't run up here. Yeah, you can't really see it off this. Oh, Jesus. Honestly, on the camera it looks like nothing, but on here, oh my god. Hello. Hello. These people are probably like, what is this white guy doing? Way to Stupa. I don't know if that's where we're going or not. You can go this way on the map, so. Look at them views already. Woo! Plenty to go yet, son. Ah, so there's a road here. So here we are currently. Keep going. Hi! Come on! Look at these hairpins. Even cars are struggling. Oh, where the hell? What? Look at me. Shop there. Who's buying from that shop? We found a little road. Woo. This is that's sand. Brilliant. Don't know where those steps go. I ain't even asked. Come on. I'm a tank. So we're going. We're close. We're getting there. Oh my god, that's high. Unbelievable. Just got a few more steps to run up and then we're there. Just a few steps, maybe 100 or so. Almost like Rivington Pike when you get to the top. How many people have been up here in 110s? He's still talking to himself on camera. Oh. Is this it? No TikTok, no video. It's the Shanty World Peace. I don't feel like I can go in like this, so I'm gonna go to a cafe and sit down and see if I can like de-sweat a bit. Some stats: 7.2k. It's took me 48 minutes. Jesus. So I've no money to get in, so never mind, we're on our way down. I'm gonna try and go a different way back. I'm gonna try and go on the road back, but I don't know how to get to it. There's a road over there. I've no idea. This is incredible. Looks like the road's down here. Rejoin the road, now run back to the lake. Right, so that's the road. I don't know where that goes. I think this one is the one back. So we're gonna go back down here and see where we get to. I mean, it can't be that hard, can it? I've just got to run downhill. So if I manage to get lost, it's my own bloody fault. Hello. Oh, this is magnificent. Too quick, if anything. Right, I need to just relax here. Getting a little bit excited. Hello, namaste. Right, I know where we are, I think. No, I don't. I don't know if I've run up this one or not. I'm not sure. Tell you what, it's a bit taxing on the legs, this. It's starting to hurt my legs a little bit now. Obviously I can't feel it. Just because of the downhill. Once I get on the flat I think I'll be alright. But this is the bottom. So we've got about 5k left, I think, till we get back to the hostel. So this is a little town just outside of Pokhara. There's some caves there. Oh, that looks good. I might come back to that when I've got some money. cows over there. You looking at Cheers to Free Kid a Week. That's what I'm listening to. Flagging a little bit now. Probably a bad idea to go this far. I only actually planned on doing about 5k. I've not had a drink of water since I set off. Back down to the lake. Means we're not far back now. That was such a bad idea. Bang on 14k. I'm gonna go and get a shower, put my Strava link up. I feel a bit better now. So that was it was good fun actually. I really enjoyed it. It was the first run I've done. I actually did a run a couple of weeks ago, but it was only like really short and it wasn't that long. So it's the first like kind of proper jog. It was a jog. It's the first jog I've done in a while. Right, so obviously we've got to get some new gear because obviously I don't have anything for this trek to Everest, and I bought this bag the other day and it's cheap, right? But look at this. You've got the zip here, but there's no like tag. There's nothing to pull, so it's just a pocket I can't get into. It's like £9, so I'm not complaining, but I am a little bit. Just gonna head out, get a little bit of food. These are where we are currently. Just come to a little sandwich bar here on the street. Looks alright, it's got good reviews on there, Google. I'm not too sure what this afternoon's plan is. I'll have a think. There's a lake here, but I can't go swimming because of my knee tattoo. But that's not the best stick you've ever seen. Tell you what, this looks delicious. I can't remember what I ordered, but omelette, cheese. Oh, it's omelette, cheese and chicken. Don't usually like brown bread. Let them off. Bloody hell, this is quality. Gonna try and find some, see if we can rent a boat or something. The weather isn't looking too clever. Take my drone back because I don't want it to get wet. So this is where I came down to last night just for a bit of a wander. It's pretty nice actually. It's like Lake Como vibes. How do I get one of them? You just take them. 1 hour south, 780. It's got to be negotiable. I wonder whether this is the only one or whether there's like another. Don't know what they are. Local swimming baths. Right, stuff's back. Got everything. Let's go. So yeah, on the prices, they wanted to charge me a kayak as a small boat. I was like, it's closer to a rowing boat than a small boat. So anyway, I'm paying 500. He's coming back now. This is where we are. Good little spot. And we're off. Life jackets are compulsory, which is a bit annoying, considering I'm probably the best swimmer in this country right now. But this is unbelievable. That up there, over there, is where we ran this morning. So it's quite high actually. Quite happy with that run today. And these are the current settings. Unbelievable scenes. That over there is an island. Let's go and check it out. So this place is a temple. Obviously the flag of Nepal on there, and it's just an island. It's free to dock, but to be honest, I'm fed up of seeing temples. I've seen that bloody many of them. I've just paid 500 for an hour, which is like the equivalent of about £3. I think when you come to places like this, it's good to try and experience all things, not just like trekking. Like, when am I ever going to be kayaking around a lake in Pokhara again? Unless I do it tomorrow. This would be a great lake to swim in, but unfortunately, because of my tattoo, it's not happening. Right, I'm gonna have to start heading back here. The only issue is I'm not 100% sure where I came from. The place where you set off there, there's one over there, and I don't know which one I came from. No, I think it's this one over here. So that one over there, there's like a big heart there, and I saw someone taking a picture before when I was walking past, and I thought, what a bender. I'm going to finish the video by telling you what sort of plans I've got coming up. So obviously I'm in Nepal 3 days. I head back to Kathmandu, where I'm meeting one of my mates from home. He comes out on the 25th. He's been around Australia, Southeast Asia, living it up for 6 months, and to finish his trip he's coming to Nepal. Then we're going to go to Chitwan. We're going to do, well, we're looking at doing some sort of walking safari, hopefully see some like decent animals. After we've done that, back to Kathmandu again, and on the 2nd of April we have booked a expedition, 2 weeks of hiking into the Himalayas, going to Everest Base Camp. I've got a couple of other friends also from home, but they live in the Middle East. They're also flying out for that, so there's going to be 4 of us doing it. I'll definitely do some videos on that because we fly into the most dangerous airport in the world, which I'm really looking forward to. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon.